Hello Plastic Model Builders, I am Ari Stone with Plastic Model Builder, and this is the 1/144th Saturn V model. This is the 50th anniversary edition to celebrate the launches of the Saturn V and going to the moon. This is our box right here. We will open this up. We're going to show you what's inside of it. First plastic bag right here. We have parts right here. This is for the control module and as well part of the launch craft itself. We have in the other bag parts molded in silver. Contains this right here, which is basically a stand, mimics a launch pad of sorts, and of course this, which is the engines. We have one set of directions right here, which has a 12-page booklet. Covers everything from the paints you need all the way up through this, how to paint it. Then we have one decal sheet. Looking at a glance, it does not have recessed panel lines for certain things. They are raised. This kit itself, according to the box, has 82 parts. This concludes the box break of what's inside of this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our videos, comment and like, and of course until next time, see ya!